Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my Isobe. So usually this feathers come like this in the market and they are not really wide and open. So I'm showing you a technique on how I open it and it becomes a little bit wide. So in a bucket of warm water, I put all the feathers that I'm going to be using for that particular hat inside a warm water. Then allow it to soak a bit inside there, and you gradually notice that it's expanding. So you just soak it for a while, not too long, then you bring it out, and you're going to notice that it's already expanding by putting it inside the warm water. So you're not just going to leave it like that wet, you're also going to take it outside, allow it to dry for a couple of minutes. Voila, your feathers are expanded now. So thank you guys. At the end of the day, this is what I used it to make a beautiful hat. See you guys in my next video. Bye.